In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture email addresses with a Leadpages form. Capturing email addresses is a crucial step in growing your mailing list and enhancing your engagement with potential customers or subscribers. Let's dive into this straightforward process. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Leadpages. Leadpages is a popular platform that allows you to create landing pages designed specifically for lead capture. Once you see the search results, look for the link that includes leadpages.com. Clicking on this will take you to the official Leadpages website. Once you're on the Leadpages homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. It's a good idea to have your login information ready beforehand to make this step seamless. After logging in, navigate over to your account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find an option to Create Landing Page. Click on this to begin designing your email capture form. The Leadpages platform offers a variety of templates to fit your needs, and to streamline your choice, filter the templates by selecting Lead Capture under the Page Type dropdown. This will present you with options specifically designed for gathering email addresses. With your template selected, you can use the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to customize your page. The next step is adding a form widget to your page. The form widget is your primary tool for capturing the email and any other necessary details from your visitors. To tailor the form to your needs, click on the form widget to edit it. You'll want to add fields such as email and name, but do keep in mind that simplicity is key. The fewer the fields, the more inclined people will be to complete the form, so keep the number of fields to a minimum to encourage more submissions. Once you're satisfied with your page's layout and design, it's time to make it live. Click on the Publish button, and your landing page will be out in the world. Now, all that's left is to share the link to your newly created landing page. You can promote this link on social media, email newsletters, or any platform where your audience is active. Now, regarding the leads you capture, Leadpages automatically sends notifications with the new leads information every time a form is submitted. You can manage these notifications in your account settings, adjusting them according to your preferences. And there you have it, an efficient, quick way to set up a Leadpages form to capture email addresses, essential for building your email list. Happy collecting, and thank you for watching.